Hey, DJ here from PTA. Want to go over two trades, WDC and SOUN. Unfortunately, both were losers. Took a nice little paper cut today, but definitely want to be consistent with the videos and let you know what I was thinking throughout those trades. So, first one we'll go over is WDC. We were up in an uptrend over the 200, so I'm thinking I was going to get a nice explosive move. I was looking for somewhere above here, the 66 area. I thought it might have had the range to get there, but didn't. When I actually got into the trade, this is 0 down to the hour, I was thinking it was going to take off from here. So the top of this trade was like about right there, 62.37, and I was taking a look at this on the 2 hour. So my theory was that this candle will engulf it and continue on or go higher, maybe pull back and then continue higher for the next couple of days. We just didn't get that follow through. So my actual order was 62.24. So let me zoom in down to a 1 minute to kind of give you some synopsis on this. But ultimately right here, I seen this top, but I seen this lower high on the swing. So I decided to enter here. And on that break, it got me out 62.62, and then it kind of went sideways and faded. So was it a loser? Yes. Could I have taken profit? Sure. But the thing was that I was looking for a full extension. So when I get in a trade, I don't just take off because I'm up 40 cents, 50 cents. I play the trade out. And some trades play out good, some don't. The key to it all is to remember and understand why you placed that trade. Why did you do that trade in particular on that time frame, and what you were thinking about and what you were going through when it did it. My order entry on there just was shabby. I should have got in a little earlier, but you know, that at that point was pretty much, in my opinion, a chase. So the next trade I wanted to go over was SOUN. Now SOUN had a lot of volume coming into this day on May 3rd. So I was thinking it was going to continue to rally and have a strong finish, but we just didn't get that. So coming into the trade, I kind of took the trade off of the hour. And my thought was that, you know, red, green, green. So when it was up here, I tried to squeeze in a little early. Should have waited. And that cost me. So I end up getting in. Let me look at the order fill. Order fill on this SOUN was 1790. So unfortunately, I got in at 1790. Let's zoom in on a 1 minute and break that down. My theory was that I had this nice little push, and I probably should have got in here or somewhere down here, but it ended up pushing out. And I'm thinking 1790, the way it was moving after this igniting candle, I'm figuring, hey, this might have started the next move, the leg up, to push it into the 18s and carry on, you know. And I was just looking for another buck, so I had a small risk on it, and I took a paper cut on it. So this one again, it's all about placement. So looking at the chart, you know, and I always tell people it's always easier to look at it after the fact, but looking at the chart, you know, should have gotten a little earlier, maybe could have made that an actual play, maybe made a buck, but I was looking for a bigger move, and I just didn't get it on this one. So just wanted to go over those two trades so we can keep some consistency in the videos. I apologize, guys. You know, just the market has been kind of slow. I'm very particular in my trades, so if I don't really see a setup that I like, even if I take a loss, I'll at least say I could play it on based on the setup that I like. I didn't see that essentially in the last couple of days. May 4th, Fed numbers came out, market rally 900 points to the upside, and then unfortunately gave it all back today. So one of the things you got to know is just wait for your setup. Even if you take a loss, it's cool because you waited for your setup. And you know, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose. The whole key of it all is money management and making sure you play the proper setups. But guys, if you have any questions, concerns, click that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave it in the comments. I'll be sure to reach out and answer those questions for you. But hey guys, like I tell everyone in the Discord, stay studying and stay focused.